It's a celebration. We're celebrating being beautiful and fabulous. But before we get to that part, let's first talk about the fact that when you look good, you feel good, and that every woman deserves to feel beautiful. Celltone is bringing you all things beauty this morning, and we have Dr. Dilshaad Asmal in studio, and we'll be talking about skin disorders. Good morning, Dr. Asmal. How are you?
Fine, thanks. You well?
Very well, thank you. Now, you know what? This thing of skin disorders, I remember as being younger, I experienced some common skin problems, not necessarily disorders, but is everyone prone to it? And, you know, is it specifically related to certain elements?
Well, no, everyone's not prone to a skin condition, but there are obviously genetic factors. Genetics play a huge role in medicine. Your other factors could be triggers like if you wear too much makeup, you can get your clogged pores. It can lead to acne. Physical elements like heat, cold, the sun. The sun, as we know, can cause your collagen and your elastin to break up, and it can give you wrinkling early. It can give you tougher skin. It can give you your cancer or your precancerous lesions. Again, your occupation. If you work out in the elements, the heat, the humidity, it will affect your skin too. And then obviously the normal pollutants in the air. And then you have your internal factors also, like your stress, exercise or lack of exercise, water, your blood vessels being enlarged because of alcohol. So there are lots of factors.
Now, you mentioned acute acne, but now for anyone sitting at home that's watching and they're like, they maybe have a skin disorder, what are some of the common ones? Maybe you can just list a few of those. I know that eczema is also one as well, right?
You have different types of eczema. I always say that you can sometimes put eczema, for example, in the countries of Africa, on the continent. But then there's some eczemas that you can't, you know, put into the slot. You get atopic eczema, which is very, very well known, where you get the eczema in the flexures, the elbows and the knees. Then as you get older, you get your seborrheic eczema, which looks like oily, dandruffy flakes on the eyebrows, on the sides of the nose, on the scalp. And remember, that's also called cradle cap in younger people. And then your viral illnesses, like your herpes virus, which can cause your cold sores, your chicken pox, that can stay in the skin and give you your shingles, common warts caused by a human papilloma virus. And the other viruses are molluscum contagiosum. They give you like pearly little spots on the skin. I call it a sharing is caring disease because it's very common in children.
Wow, all right.
You know, so there are lots of common skin conditions.
Now, you did mention quite a few, and you said there are lots, but how does one treat skin disorders? What are the first steps that you need to take, maybe even in your diet or with certain medications? What would you suggest?
Well, I think to be healthy, you know, is always good for every system in the body. But obviously, when you're looking at treatment, your treatment options is tailored to the skin condition. So no one patient is the same. So obviously, you get assessed. And you can get assessed at your local day hospital that will then refer you off to your specialist clinic, or your GP can treat you and then send you off to a dermatologist, or you can see a dermatologist on your own without going through those channels.
Okay. Now, I know a lot of people sitting at home who are maybe dealing with skin disorders and feeling maybe embarrassed about it, or feeling that they don't want to go out and they don't want to be seen by people. What's your advice to them if they are dealing with a skin condition today?
It is hard because only they themselves know what they are going through. So I think that's important. The other thing is that skin conditions can be psychologically debilitating. You know, so when people look at themselves in the mirror, they're not happy. And also with regards to social functioning, they feel that everyone is looking at their skin, not at themselves. So try and get some help. There is help out there, like I mentioned before. Don't think that there is nothing that can be done.
Absolutely. Well, that's fantastic. Thank you so much, Dr. Asmal. There is help. Don't allow that thing to rule your life. And I mean, like if you said just a healthy diet, taking medication, seeing a doctor, those are all important steps to dealing with that skin condition as well. Well, like I said, it is a celebration here in our studio this morning. You see the balloons, you see the streamers, you see the fantastic prizes and this big box in the middle of the table. The time has finally come because we are about to do the live draw to find out who the winner of the 10,000 Rand shopping voucher is. Good luck to everyone who entered. So I'm just going to come a little bit closer here. All right. I don't know who is in this box here. I don't know which names are there. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a shake. Are you excited, Dr. Asmal?
Oh,
you are?
yes.
I think one fell out. I've got to make sure that this person's in here. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to put my hand in really deep. I'm not watching, I promise. All right, I have a name. Here we go. This is very exciting. And the winner of the 10,000 Rand shopping voucher at a mall of your choice is Yolandi Butler. Woo! There's no one. Come on, seriously. Sure. Where's everyone in studio? Yolandi Butler, congratulations. You walk away with a fabulous 10,000 Rand voucher to go and shop till you drop at a mall of your choice. But if you didn't win this morning, do not feel disheartened because Celltone's extravaganza continues. Now, would you like to spoil yourself or your loved one this Valentine's Day? How about those to die for heels with 1,000 Rand? How about that I can't live without you handbag with 1,200 Rand? How about that lavish dinner with 500 Rand? And how about that luxurious spa day for two with 2,300 Rand? Well, stop dreaming because this morning Celltone is making it all possible this Valentine's Day because you can stand a chance to win a cash prize of 5,000 Rand. And it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just like one. Go to your Celltone South Africa Facebook page, follow them on Twitter and post a selfie on their Instagram and hashtag CelltoneSA. And you will automatically be entered into the draw. So ready, set, go. You can win with Celltone. Fantastic prizes to be won. And once again, congratulations to Yolandi Butler. Enjoy your shopping spree. I'm very, very free to go with you if you want. I'll help you spend it. We'll take a quick ad break. See you right back after this.
Are wrinkles starting to show your age? Or do you have an ongoing problem with dark spots? Do you battle with stretch marks? Celltone. You are beautiful.